Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I have a quick product review of this Milwaukee M12 fuel stubby impact wrench. This is rated up to 250 pounds of torque. Alright, so here is the tool. This is a 3/8 with just the standard 2.0 battery, as you can see right here. Now, the main reason why I purchased this is because I got a really great deal. This was on sale for $149 with the tool and the battery, and also came with the additional 2.0 battery. Now, if you know the Home Depot trick, or the hack some people call it, is any tool that they attach to the deal that is free, you can go ahead and return it and get part of that price deducted or refunded back to your card. And so this was $150, and I returned the extra battery for about, I believe it was like $48. And so this entire tool cost me a little over 110 bucks or so. Now, I did a lot of research, and some of the reviews online, especially on Home Depot and also on YouTube and things like that, states that some people were not able to remove the lug nuts on the vehicle, that it just wouldn't remove it at all. This is rated at 250 foot-pounds, and my lug nuts right now are torqued to 80 foot-pounds. Now I'm going to go ahead and try this out real quick and show you if this will remove the lug nuts or not. Also, the battery is fully charged and is set at the correct setting, which is the number 3. You don't want it to be in 1 or 2. You just want to make sure you're on 3 if you're trying to break lug nuts. Alright, as you can see, it had no problem removed the lug nuts that was torqued at 80 foot-pounds. It came out very easy. And the battery, after I removed it, it is still full. Alright, so that was a quick review of this stubby impact wrench from Milwaukee. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.